So the key is that this is, again, it's a delivery system for the nutrition. So the primary goal is going to get the greens. And I already preloaded it, and I saw your eyes getting wide as I put more and more greens.
Yeah, so
we're not done with the
Hobby
greens.
only got this much, and she
Isn't
laughed.
that cute?
She laughed.
She's like, let's put 2 ounces in a bowl and then call it a day. No, so I actually like to put a lot more in there. So we're going to use this too.
All the way to the top.
No, we'll leave a little bit of room for the fruit. A little bit. All right. You'll be fine. I promise.
I'll be fine.
Okay.
I'll be fine. Allegedly.
So if you're making this at home, you want about 3/4 of it to be the greens, because that's your vitamins, your minerals, your antioxidants. That's all the good stuff, right? Then you need omega-3s. Omega-3s actually create a fast metabolism. You ever hear fat's bad for you?
Yes, I have heard that many a time.
This is a fat that makes you lose fat. It creates a fast metabolism. And we've tested it, thousands of calories from omega-3s, and it just makes you burn fat faster. Also makes you repair damage faster. And it's a precursor to your anti-inflammatory immune system. So this is chia seeds. You can also use flax seeds for omega-3. Flax seeds also has phytoestrogens, which is great for women, protects us from breast cancer. But this will work. Now, I usually say about a handful, but they gave me this nice spoon, so I won't put my hand in there. But that's a good place to start. All right. It does make the smoothie a bit thick, though, so.
I mean, that's fine. I like it thick.
That's what I heard. So, okay.
Yes, doctor.
So, and then we're going to use water. This is also necessary for metabolism, for all the chemical reactions that take place for healing. Most people who are dehydrated are not thirsty. It's a bad sign if you're not thirsty. But it also is the primary reason that people have constipation and headaches. So don't go to the pharmacy, drink your water. And this is another place to hide the water. I just say put the water to the level of the greens.
Really?
Yeah, that'll
So
help.
is this serving for one person, 2, 3, the whole house?
Well, I would like people to have one of these a day, the blender. So you have some at breakfast, you have some as a snack, you kind of let yourself have it throughout the day. That way, this is for your cells. Whatever you eat next is for your taste buds.
Wow.
But think of it this way. You got 100 trillion cells, right? You don't want to, you need to give them a little bit more, especially if you've been starving them for most of your life.
Oh, wow, yeah.
People with autoimmune disease, if you had a little bit of this, it's like bringing a water gun to a forest fire, right?
Wow.
We need a lot. So yes, I'd love you to drink it by the end of the day, but start where you can. You know, if you're not used to fiber, you know, for most people, it gives you a glorious bowel movement. For some people, it's a little bit much. So you just start where you can, get used to it. So, right.
We won't take you after the show. Don't worry.
All right. Now, banana is really good. You want the ones from the spots. I learned these as banana bread bananas, but where they're going to be in the smoothie, they're sweeter when they have the spots. So we'll put those in there.
My mother always says, "Oh, that's way too sweet." Now you've got
but in a smoothie, it's good. Well, with the greens, you want the sweet.
Yeah, I definitely need the sweet.
You're like, please, more extra.
This is all salad right now. I'm drinking a salad. How many bananas?
Well, I'm being nice to you, all right? It's your first time.
Oh, what a sweetie.
It's your
thank
first
you.
time. We're going to be
It'll
gentle.
Be a pleasant.
All right. Do you like pineapple?
I love pineapple.
Okay,
I love
cool.
mango. I love it all.
So,
can any of them be frozen? Or
actually, that's what I'm using. If you use frozen fruit, then you don't need to add ice and you can have more fruit in it. It's going to taste better. If you don't use frozen fruit, then you're going to want to add ice because if this cooks, that's really gross. You don't want a hot smoothie.
We don't want to cook salad. No.
Right. Now, normally I'd be using my hands to shove this down to give you more.
Use your hands.
Put it in there.
I saw you wash your hands. Go ahead.
Yeah, well, all right, let's try. I'm trying to be polite for TV service. Okay, let's see. All right. All right. And then it'll be fun if we get
That's not going to fit. What do you...
So again, the fruit is just for flavor, and you'd be amazed how good. I know you're looking skeptical, and you can taste it. All right, this is going to be loud though. I'm going to blend this up. Now, this is a high-powered blender, so it'll actually make it like a restaurant smoothie. If you've got a weaker blender, you might be chewing a bit. So I do recommend people who are going to use this for your lifestyle that you get a good quality blender.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, I'm going to turn this on. All right, here we go.
Wow, that's fast.
Yeah, Vitamix is very strong.
Oh, Vitamix.
Okay. Are you scared? You nervous?
No. All
right, let me find something fancy so you feel okay.
A little fancy schmance.
Look at
that. Those are deeper. It's a margarita glass, so it's a deeper, so it's not just...
I want you to feel like you're having the margarita vibes,
yes.
All right? Okay, let's see how I did. So let's pour that in there.
Oh, it's pretty and thick. All right.
Okay. Now, if you drink it this way, you get the mustache. We also have straws in case you weren't looking for that. Now, where did they go?
The straws are here.
Oh, that's a skinny straw. We might, look at that.
That's how thick it is, folks. Bada bing, bada boom.
It's up for late night. There we go.
Cheers.
All right. Cheers, my lady. Come on, that's good.
That's good. It's good.
Right?
That's good.
You would never, it tastes like pineapple.
Pineapple, mango, the bananas coming through. I mean, obviously, I do taste the greens, not gonna lie.
It's in there. But it's not overwhelming, right? For someone who's
That's
not
what I was
into
gonna say,
salad.
not overwhelmingly so. I can drink this. I want one of these every night on the Nightcap, okay? We're gonna get healthy up in here.
I'll be back tomorrow making that drink. The new bartender.